Hey everyone, if you want to use Miro for free in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to access and use Miro's free features step by step. First, Miro's free plan lets you create boards, use templates, collaborate with others, and organize ideas without spending any money. Start by logging into your Miro account. If you don't have one, create a free account first. Click the New Board button to create your first whiteboard. Miro provides free templates for brainstorming, mind maps, project planning, and more. You can add sticky notes, text, shapes, images, and connectors to organize your ideas. Use the Share button to invite teammates and collaborate in real time. Take advantage of drawing tools, comments, and presentation mode included in the free plan. Miro automatically saves your boards, so you can access them anytime. For the best experience, use templates and keep your boards organized with sections and labels. A common mistake is overcrowding boards with too much information, making them difficult to navigate. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use Miro for free in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.